In this video, we'll have a look at importing bank transactions. First thing we need to make sure is that the bank accounts feature is enabled. You do this via the Your Features menu option, and that's covered in another video. Once you click on the bank accounts menu, the screen appears, and it consists of two tabs. It shows you connected accounts or accounts that you would want to reconcile, and then there's other bank accounts. In this example, we have Barclays Bank, and we have two options for importing the transactions. We can click on this and connect to our bank account, and it'll automatically download all of the transactions straight from our bank account. This uses open banking APIs, but on occasion you may wish to use a file import. The main reason for this is some banks have a limitation on their APIs that only let you extract data for a certain period of time, for example, the last 3 months or the last 6 months. In the event that you want to use the file import, the first thing we need to do is click on the bank templates at the bottom of the screen, and we can see that we've already got a template here. So we can add in new templates, or we can just look at this one that we've set up already. So this template is for Barclays Bank. The main columns are the date, credits and debits, that's money coming in and out of your bank, and also the notes. And if we look at this on an Excel spreadsheet, our system will expect one row at the top for the title of the column, and everything after that it expects to be transactions. So it's important, for example, if you download information from the Co-op Bank, they've got a lot of information at the top. You need to remove those rows so that the headings of the columns is the first row of the import file. Another useful tip is if you do download a CSV file, it is useful saving it as an Excel file. A CSV file uses commas in the file to differentiate between the different fields. These are the different fields, but sometimes you might have commas in the actual description of the transaction, and that can throw the information out. So it's worth just double checking that and saving it as an Excel file before you import it. So once we've set up our template, we click back, then we go to reconcile, and we can see we've got two options. We can connect, that's the live connection to the bank account, or we can import the file. So let's choose import. We select the template because you may have multiple banks and you may have multiple templates, so we'll select Barclays. And then if we just select the file, once we've selected the file, we just click on import, and we can see that all of the transactions have been imported. And if you want to see the detail of the transactions, we just click on reconcile. So we can see money coming in is in black, money going out is in red, and then you can use little filters. All the money coming in, all the money going out, and if you wanted to filter all the Google transactions, there's all the Google transactions. So the next video will actually look at the reconciliation process.